cluck. Oink. Oink.
They are all saying the same thing. Cluck, cluck. We are hungry. Moo. Oink, oink. Good morning. We are hungry.
And there is one person who hears them every single morning. A child. Just like you.
Come along. It is time to feed the animals. Come along.
Today, we will visit 6 animals. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready?
Our first stop is the chicken coop. It is a small wooden house with a red roof.
We pick up a big bag of grain. Say it with me, Bao. G-R-A-N.
Grain. This is what chickens eat.
Grain.
Cluck, 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 cluck. Wow, wow, wow. Crunch. They are very excited to see us.
Peck, peck, peck. That word P-E-C-K, P-K, means to eat with a beak. Chickens peck their food. Good morning, chickens. G-O-O-D morning, chickens. That's okay. You're welcome. That is their thank you. New words. Let's say them together. A coop is where chickens live. Grain is chicken food. Peck. Great job. Say them again. Coop, grain, peck.
Now we walk to the big field. Coming, Bessie.
We carry a bucket of water. Say it with me, Vo. B-U-seek-it. Trough. Cows drink a lot of water every day.
Bessie puts her head down. She drinks slowly. She is warm.
Good morning, Bessie.
Moo!
G-O-D morning, Bessie. That means thank you. I'm sure of it. That means thank you. We are sure of it.
New words. Bucket. Trough. Fresh. Great. Now let's go see Max.
Good morning, Max.
Inside the stable lives Max the horse. He already knows we are here.
We pick up a bundle of hay. Say it, Ty. H-A-Y. And this is Max's mane. Hay is dry grass. Horses.
Max dips his nose into the hay.
Oh.
Munch means to eat slowly and happily.
Munch, munch, munch.
Peaceful scene.
It is soft, like velvet. That is how horses say hello.
Good morning, Max. Nee! Geo, good morning, Max. Did Max just bow back? He did. He bowed back.
Hey, main, munch, stable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next stop is everyone's favorite.
Say hello to Penny the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Peony.
Oink, 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 oink. Pigs love mud. Mud keeps them cool. Mud keeps away insects. Penny, why are you always in mud? Oh, that makes sense. Mud is a pig's best friend. Pigs eat many things. Vegetables, fruit peels, grain. See? Lots of yummy stuff. Good morning, Penny. Oink. She is very busy. First man, the rabbit hutch. Shh. Her little nose goes sniff, sniff, sniff. First man, the rabbit hutch. Shh. Her little nose goes sniff, sniff, sniff.
Sniff, sniff, sniff. I can't do it.
A hutch is a small cage where rabbits live. Say it too. H-U-T-Chi. Rabbits eat fresh plants.
Now we hear them before we see them. Quack, quack, Q-U-A-C-K. Quack, 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 quack. Cracked corn has and cure. That is the food ducks love most. And their flat nose is called a bill.
Their flat beak is called a bill.
Sorry, Quacky.
Their feathers are bright. The water around them sparkles.
Cracked corn.
We feel useful. We feel kind. We feel connected. Because when you care for another living thing, Dang, something grows inside you too.
Let's say them all. Grain, grain. Coop, coop. Peck, peck. Bucket, bucket.
The sun is high now. The farm is awake.
Nana.
Leo, there you are.
You didn't just listen today. You were there. You helped me today. Thank you. You were there.
Join us again next time. A different morning. New sounds. New words. The world is waiting. And so are we. next time. Next time on the farm.
Good morning. The END.